Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI, and let me introduce you to your new favorite backpack from Montana West. When I first got this bag, I was really impressed with the quality and the attention to details. The material is nice and flexible and soft, but still sturdy. All the stitching is well done, and the zippers are heavy duty, so I know my items are going to stay where they should. I also like that it has these handles that allow me to carry the bag in my hands, and they hook together. I don't think I've ever seen this feature on another backpack. Now, when it comes to size and pockets, this bag has plenty. What I appreciate though is that they make sense. Sometimes you can get a bag and it has a ton of pockets, but you have no clue what to use them for because they can't fit the things you need. That was not the case with this bag. It has a total of 7 pockets and each one is nicely constructed. Even the one where you put your electronics in is padded and it has a strap so your items can be secure. This bag is a perfect size for everyday use like work or school or even for a trip. I have a 4-day trip coming up soon and I was able to fit everything I wanted in there. Aside from all this is really just a good looking bag. I love the color and style because it makes it versatile when it comes to matching my outfits. You can wear it dressed up, you can wear it casually, you can carry it in your hand or use it as a backpack. I'm telling you, whatever your preference, this is the bag for you. And that's my point of view.